In the previous lesson, we learned how to create a basic map. This lesson will develop your skills to show some additional useful information commonly shown on maps. We will edit the map to include the following: title, a map border, a scale bar, and a north arrow. We start by opening the workspace that you created in Lesson 1. As you can see, your workspace remained the way that you left it. We are going to build on this project. However, before we do anything, we save a new workspace so that your first one may act as a backup. As the purpose of this map is for directing people to a school craft fair, we'll save this version with the name Craft Fair, using the Save As button. Now we're ready to start. Firstly, we will specify the scale of the map. Set the map to scale 1:5000. To add the features such as the title, the scale bar, and the north arrow, it requires the use of the QGIS Print Layout tool. To access this tool, click Project and New Print Layout. A dialog box requests a title for your map. You can insert Craft Fair here. If you choose to leave it empty, it will automatically name itself Layout 1. Now your Print Layout window appears. This window is where you can add the other elements to your map and then print it as a PDF or a JPEG. Click on the Add New Map icon. Your mouse turns into a crosshair. If you click on the map, it will ask for where you want to position your map. However, it can be easier to just drag and drop by holding down the left button on your mouse. What appears in the resulting rectangle is the current view showing in your QGIS map window, which you can toggle between. You can move and resize this map by clicking on it and using the resizing handles and boxes in the corners. If you want to change what's in the view, click this button for interactively editing the map extent, and then you're now able to drag your map around. You can also adjust the scale here. To stop moving the map around, you click on the select icon, and the map will go back to acting like an object. Remember to leave a white border around the edges for printing purposes and enough space at the top for a map title. If for any reason you need to leave your computer and turn off QGIS and you want to re-access the print layout as you left it, then you save your project before closing, and the print layout saves alongside your project file. So after reopening the workspace again, you click the project menu button and you can choose your layout within the layouts option. As you can see, Craft Fair now appears here. Now that we're back in the print layout view, we'll add a title to explain to the reader the purpose of the map. To do this, we use the Add Label icon. Again, a crosshair appears, and we can drag and drop a box for where we want to write the label. If you selected the new label icon and then clicked on the page instead of dragging and dropping, a dialog box like this appears. Don't worry, just press OK and it automatically creates a box. This can also be moved and reshaped to whatever way that you want it. As you can see, the words lorem ipsum have appeared automatically in the text box. This is just to help you so that you can actually highlight it and change it to the text that you want. I'm going to go ahead and delete the second text box. Type in your title, which will be your school name followed by craft fair location map. As you type, you can see the text appearing in the label box on the map canvas. You can change the font size and colour using the appearance options underneath the main properties in the panel to your right. To make the tile centred over the map, do the following. Click on the map, then hold down Shift on your keyboard and click on the title, so that both the map and the title are now selected. Find the Align icon and click on the drop-down arrow. Select Align Center. Now your title is aligned centered to your map. I'm going to go ahead and make our font size larger. And recenter it. Remember, if there's lots of white space in your title box, you have to drag it in order to make it look centered properly. Now it's time to add a scale bar. Select the scale bar icon. Again, we have a crosshair. Drag and create a box for your scale bar. You can change the appearance of your scale bar in the panel to the right. I recommend putting a frame and a background around your scale bar and then placing it somewhere where it does not block information on the map. Next, we show orientation on our map by adding a north arrow. Click on the north arrow icon. Click on the position on the map where you want to put the north arrow and press OK. If you would prefer a different type of north arrow, you can go to the search directories. Here, you can scroll up or down and select a north arrow of your choice. Finally, let's make the map look neater by framing it with a map border. Click on the map to select it, and on the right-hand panel, in the Item Properties tab, scroll down and click Frame. Now we are ready to export our map. Click Layout from the menu and Export as PDF. You can call it Craft Fair and press Save. Leave everything here as it is and press Save. Well done! You've acquired the skills to make a complete map. Be proud of what you can do already using QGIS. You are ready to develop on these skills in the next lesson.